Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Oh!
Does it hit?
He's still under.
Hope he's still in there.
Nope, he's clear. Next.
Where am I jumping?
Hey.
Jump right there.
Jump right here.
Are you gonna get him going down? Come on, Christopher.
Oh no. Hold on.
He can get it.
What's that?
He can get it.
I don't know if I want to.
Alright, there you go.
Nice.
I don't really want it.